My responsibility of the project is a project coordinator, but also IRTA has activities in the Work Package 3. It's the processing of the camel milk. We are working in pasteurized camel milk. We make some tests in the pilot plant in the facilities of IRTA, and also make camel cheese, test camel cheese in the facilities of IRTA also. During the lockdown and COVID-19, there are some activities that was delayed because it's a project that needs to do some trips, go to the other countries, to visit farms, to make trainings, to make meetings, and it was a little bit difficult. Some activities we can do online, but the other ones was delayed, and also ask to Prima to these delays. And finally, we extend the project 6 months more to finalize all the activities in a good way.
My main activity in the project was regarding the Work Package 2, which is focused first on the analysis of the existing situation of the camel farming around Mediterranean Basin among the partners, mainly Turkey, Algeria, and Spain and France. And I spent a lot of time first to analyze the current situation, then to know what we can do for improving the situation in this camel farm for production and for processing. And third, to train the people, to train the farmers, to train the technicians, to train the partner regarding the camel farming, dairy farming. And I organize myself training for several people among all the partners with the camel farm. And finally, I publish a book regarding the camel farming, dairy camel farming. The book was published in Turkish, in Arabic, in Spanish, in French language, and I expect soon in English and maybe in Croat also.
Actually, this is a really big project, and there are 9 work packages, and mainly I am active in work package 3 for camel milk production and milk quality analysis, and also with my colleague Dr. Selda Bulca to process camel milk into the fermented products. And for work package 6, camel milk value chain analysis, I am actively work for that, and we analyzed the camel milk value chain in Turkey, Algeria, and in Europe with work package leader Apex together.
Dans mon rôle, j'ai plusieurs activités dans ce projet. Comme je suis docteur vétérinaire au niveau de la direction des services agricoles de mon département, et je représente l'université, mes activités sont plutôt je travaille sur terrain et je travaille au laboratoire. Sur terrain, je fais le contrôle de l'animal et du produit, de l'animal jusqu'au consommateur, passant de la ferme et de la laiterie jusqu'à sa commercialisation. Je fais le contrôle de toute la chaîne, et en tant que scientifique, je fais des analyses sur la valeur nutritive du produit, des analyses bactériologiques, physico-chimiques au laboratoire où je travaille. C'est le laboratoire de répression de fraude de mon département.
In this project, we are a coordinator of the Working Package 7, that is business development and marketing strategy development. And on the other hand, we are also a leader of a dissemination and communication activity for the whole project. In the first working package, in the Working Package 7, we had an honor to design business strategies and marketing plan for 5 companies all around the Mediterranean, 2 from Turkey, 1 from Algeria, 1 from France, and 1 from Spain. It was a very nice experience because we never met camel milk farmers, and we were forced to work a lot, analyze the whole market in the whole Mediterranean region, and then after that, with the result that we find out, even it is very difficult because the data is very, very limited. Then we went further through different kind of interviews and a lot of talks with the farmer. We identified a very specifically marketing strategy, how to enter on the deer market and to the external market, and we designed the marketing plan with including 3 scenarios for a short, medium, and a long-term access to the Mediterranean and EU market. At the same time, we've developed an innovative business model that is completely different for each company. And we are very happy that they were very active. They were providing all the data because, as I said at the very beginning, the data was very difficult to get. In the working package 9, the communication, we are responsible to manage the web page, to present the identity and the brand of CAMELMILK Project all around the world, and we are managing the social media.
Well, it was very easy to cooperate with the other partners of the project, which involve 8 countries. Easy because everyone wanted to participate in its success, and everyone is driven by a great passion. So COVID-19 has put a brake on the achievement of certain objectives, of course, that can only be achieved on site, like breeding, production, processing of milk. We have nevertheless been able to make progress in our collaboration, thanks to the digital technology and video conferences. And despite everything, we hope to be able to achieve our objectives that we have set ourselves. We are happy to support the farms involved in our project. Government authorities are increasingly aware of facilitating the development of the camel sector, especially for export. This sector is important from an economic and environmental point of view in the Mediterranean Basin.